If you want to download this file, then I will provide link in description below. Hello guys, in this video I will discuss about battery management. Here I am using 3 lithium-ion cells that are connected in series. The initial SOC of cell 1 is 22% and the initial SOC of cell 2 is 20% and nominal voltage is 3.7, rated capacity is 2.6. This will be same for each cell. And for cell 3 the initial state of charge is 24%. Here I am using passive cell balancing technique to make the state of charge of each cell equal. And here is the source to charge the battery and here is the load to discharge the battery pack. You can control source and load by just changing the values in this constant. If the constant is 0 means the load is disconnected from the battery pack. If the constant is 1, and that means you are connecting the load with the battery pack. And here also same, if the constant is 0 then the source is isolated from the battery pack, and when the constant is 1 the source is connected with the battery pack to charge the batteries, to charge the cells. Okay, now I will run this model. First you need to make the state of charge of each cell equal by just making the constant equal to 1. If you put constant equal to 0 then the passive cell balancing technique will be turned off. When you put constant equal to 1 the passive cell balancing technique will be implemented in this battery pack to make the state of charge of each cell equal. First of all I will make this 0 and I will click on OK. Now I will run this model. Here you can monitor voltage and state of charge. Here you can see the SOC of cell 1 is 22 and the SOC of cell 2 is 20 and the SOC of cell 3 is 24. Now I will make this 1 and I will click on apply. Here you can see the SOC of cell 1 and cell 3 will decrease. Here I am using passive cell balancing technique to make state of charge of each cell equal. After a few seconds, the state of charge of cell 1 and cell 3 will be equal to 20%. Then you can make this off. Then you make this constant equal to 0. When the state of charge of each cell will become equal, you make this constant value equal to 0. After that, you charge the battery by making this constant equal to 1. Now you can see the battery will get charged, the SOC will increase. You can see more in this displays. Okay, you can monitor voltage and state of charge from here. After charging battery, you can isolate source from battery by simply changing the value in constant. Click on apply, then click on OK. Now I will discharge battery. To discharge battery, simply change constant value from 0 to 1. Now SOC will decrease. You can observe in this display. Okay, the cell 1, cell 2 and cell 3 SOCs are decreasing. And if you want to isolate the load and source, simply give constant value 0. Okay, here also if you want to isolate load from battery, simply change the constant value to 0 and click on apply, then OK. Now the SOC will not decrease. Here you can see the SOC is 22.37 and it is not varying. Guys, this was about battery management. Thank you for watching this video.